It's Prime Day. Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back to the Thompson vlogs. Today is Prime Day. So, got a little Prime strip in here. Have a little look at what's inside. Love it. It's like Christmas. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. We got the Gorillapod. Okay, Alright. So I was recording my unboxing and a bunch of it didn't record. So we're starting it again here. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the unboxing. Here, I think this is where we were at. We got a Joby Gorillapod. These things are amazing. This is for a cell phone. Also works really well with an action camera, and I think this is what happened last time here. I tried to focus. There we go. So, Joby, perfect for your GoPros, for your Sony action cams, which is what I use. Also works really well with cell phones. So, got the Joby. Gonna make sure we get some good time lapses with the Pixel. So, what else do we have in here? So, because the camera stopped, it actually kind of unboxed some of this stuff already. So, it's maybe not gonna be quite the same experience for you, but alright, so here we go. This is a camera grip. So what this guy does, it's gonna screw to the bottom of the camera, okay, with this little guy here. Screw that on the bottom. This guy goes over up on the side of your camera, and then this is gonna go around your palm. Okay, so I'm always worried I'm gonna drop this camera here, so I don't really take it a lot of places. It does have a Joby on it, definitely has a Gorillapod, but this is gonna give you that little bit of extra protection. Hang on to this guy right here so I don't drop it. Okay, so that is the professional Gorilla wrist strap. I'll put links to all of this stuff here down in the description if you guys are interested in any of it. Definitely hit that subscribe button below. If you want to see some reviews on the stuff that's here, they'll be coming up soon too, or just video of me using it. But yeah, I'll definitely give you my opinions on how this stuff works in future videos, so hit that subscribe button. Going along with the grip strap, I also got a neck strap. Okay, I haven't had a neck strap on my camera, I don't know why, but this is gonna keep nice and tight and be able to kind of get you guys those really cool shots. Okay, so we're gonna do that up. Something just fell, I don't know, it's probably was something important. We'll pick it up after. All right, this guy right here is actually an aluminum camera mount, okay, that goes on any tube, okay? So this is gonna be great for the handlebars and the mountain bike. You can put it up on the radar arc of the boat. Lots of different things I could do with this. So another little camera mount, great price. I think this was only $6. It's actually metal, good quality unit. So put a link again in the description below if you guys wanna pick one of these up. Yeah, we'll show you what it looks like on my bike later too. All right. The goodie bag continues. In this white box was this guy, okay? Why I bought one of these and why these are really important is this is a charger. So there's two batteries in here too. The batteries pop into the charger here. You put your USB micro in the top. So this is a USB charger. So the nice thing of having a USB charger is that I can charge my batteries with my portable battery bank. I don't have to use a 12 volt, I don't have to use 120 volt. I can just use this guy right here and it's gonna charge up my batteries. I'm going away to Vancouver on the weekend and I'm bringing all my camera gear with me, so I wanna make sure that I'm completely charged so that I don't miss anything for sure. So that's one way to do it. Bring your portable battery bank with you. Make sure you get a USB charger, not a 120 or 12 volt charger. All right, so keep going in here. I said I was going away. My wallet is toast. I usually carry one of those RFID type of wallet type things. The reason I carry those is because all the cards are NFC now. So this is my old one. So it's kind of beat. And yeah, all this. Oh yeah, see, stuff's just falling out of it everywhere. So it's kind of broken. So I got a new one. Nice blue one. This one's actually metal, anodized metal. This one was plastic. So yeah, new wallet. How about that? Just be all like cool now when I'm bringing out my cards. Hey, yeah, what do you want? Ta-da! So there we go. Got my RFID blocking wallet. La pièce de la résistance. The whole reason I did this order right here. Lacie rugged 2 terabyte. Gotta gather a lot of footage while I'm out. Want to make sure that I have a good solid place to back it up. So that's what this is for right here. This is just the 2 terabyte model. Link to the description below if you guys want to grab one of these as well. Great price on Amazon right now. And of course, can't get by without another 128 gigabyte card. So we got one of those too. Pop those in one of the cameras. And last but not least, something I guess this is for me, kind of for my daughter. Mirror. This way I can pop it on the back seat, in the back there, and I can kind of look in my rearview mirror and be able to see what little girl's doing in the back. So, Jolly Jumper mirror. Guys, that's it. The rest is just packaging from before when the camera stopped. So, definitely hit that subscribe button below. Drop a like if you like to kind of see all this unboxing stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.